In a quiet village, there lived a hardworking farmer named Raj. Every day he woke up early and walked to his field with his 2 oxen, Ramu and Sham. He wore an old hat, carried a heavy bag, and smiled as the sun rose over the green land. Raj loved his life, but he had a big dream. He wanted to build a small school for the children in his village. They need education, he often said. It is the key to a better future. He didn't have much money, but he had a strong heart and a clear goal. After selling his vegetables and rice at the local market, he saved a few coins each week. He put the money in a glass jar and hid it under a wooden box in his house. One day, a stranger visited the village. He wore shiny shoes, had a black briefcase, and drove a big car. He told Raj, "You should sell your land. You'll make a lot of money. Then you can move to the city and live in a big apartment." Raj thought for a moment. The idea of city life sounded exciting, but he looked at the children playing under a tree and his heart whispered, "No." "Thank you," Raj said, "but I won't sell my land. I want to build something here." The stranger laughed and left. Weeks passed. Raj worked harder. He planted more seeds, took better care of his animals, and even asked a retired teacher to help him plan the school. The villagers noticed. "Look at Raj," said one woman. "He's working for all of us." Finally, after 2 years, Raj had enough money to start. He and the villagers built a small building with mud and bricks. They brought in old desks, painted the walls, and opened the school with 10 students on the first day. Raj stood in front of the class with a proud smile. "Welcome," he said. "This is your place to learn, to grow, and to dream." From that day, the village changed. The children learned math, science, and stories about the world. And all because one farmer believed in his dream. Nouns in the story examples: person, Raj; teacher, stranger; children, woman, place; village, field; market, city, house; school, thing; hat, jar, box; book, money; dream, smile, idea; education, future, life; goal, love; belief. Proper noun: Raj, Ramu, Shyam. Raj didn't just grow crops, he grew a dream. Regrew a dream. Just like nouns name everything in English, dreams name everything in your future. Learn words, build sentences, grow your language, grow your life.